When the light fell down was a wild bird, like the night said it could be lured. With the journey you took a chance to forget when you start the dance. Once you free your soul, once you live for life. Once you free your soul, once you live for life. Once you free your sight, once you live for life. Once you free your sight, once you live for life. To the hairs on the neck of time, stand straight with me, speaking their names. And the pride that can make us blind, does it simply fear being shamed? Or the branch, is it known by seas, how it comes to be? And do the blooms know their righteous power, the beauty of being seen? Or the pride that can make us blind, does it simply fear being shamed? And the tide in its ever pulling would not but by breathing be tamed. Or the thought, is it known by speech, how it comes to be? And do the colored blooms know the righteous power, the beauty of being seen? The beauty of being seen. The beauty of being seen. When I dream in flight, the swells and stills of all that's come, and the setting forth their kindred sum, a point in a constellation. When the light fell down